Hey there, Nayla. My name is Noah and I'm Markel's shift partner here, and I'm super excited to be showing you a 2023 Outlander SE in this brilliant white diamond. Let's get started. So the Outlander SE is going to be powered by the same 2.5 liter 4-cylinder that can be found in all Outlander engines. You will be sitting on top of your 18-inch alloy wheels with integrated turn signal lamps and blind spot warning, all available from your side view mirrors. Keyless exit and entry in this trim level. You do have power lumbar support and auto one-touch windows with all driver and passenger windows. You also have the power folding side view mirrors from inside the cabin here. Only 8 kilometers, as it is a absolutely brand new vehicle with auto high beams and your cruise and source and audio controls available from your steering wheel. 6 super all-wheel control modes, your electronic parking brake, your brake auto hold, trip-by-wire transmission, as well as your lightning chargers here under your triple zone climate controls, heated steering, heated seats in this trim level, as well as you do still get your backup camera. And taking a look through the infotainment here, you do have a lot of different source options: AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. And then top here you do have a full panoramic sunroof, providing ample lighting as well as making the cabin feel even more roomy than it already is. Taking a look into the rear passenger section of the vehicle, the seats do fold flat, but they do also sit up straight here, ensuring that whether you're carrying a bunch of cargo, kids, other passengers, whatever the situation is, this Outlander has you covered. The second rows also have a very deep recline here and the triple zone climate controls as well. Taking a look into the rear cargo section of the vehicle, you do have your power lift gate. Your third row headrests can store in the side here. Of course, the vehicle comes with new summer mats and you still have that third row available if needed. Very easy to fold everything flat. However, just a pull of that strap there and then you can fold the seats flat from the trunk. And then you do have your rear cargo shade as well to give you some extra privacy when needed. Taking one last look, however, this 2023 Outlander SE is ready to go on its next test drive or to its new home in your driveway. If you have any further questions or would like to come in for your test drive, please don't hesitate to call Noah at 780-479-5700. From all of us at Northside Mitsubishi, thank you so much for your time, and hopefully we hear from you soon. Bye now.